As a professional organizer, I've learned that unpacking is never just about boxes. It's about rebuilding calm, one decision at a time. Today, this entire guest room gets a reset. One day, one space, and a reminder that progress always matters more than perfection. When I first walked in, the room was completely covered. Boxes stacked high, clothes spilling out, no clear surface anywhere. But this is what transformation really looks like. It's not glamorous at the start. It's real life in motion. Unpacking is about creating order where your brain sees chaos. You start slow. You open one box, then another, and somewhere in between, you start to feel lighter. Each small section cleared gives you proof that things can change. There's something powerful about watching a space open up again. And even before that last box is gone, you can feel the shift. That moment when the air feels lighter and you realize the goal isn't perfect, it's possible. And in that possibility, there's peace. When a room begins to come back to life, it mirrors something in you. You start to remember that you're capable. You start to see progress as enough. By midday, the piles are smaller, the movement feels easier, and the overwhelm begins to fade. That's always the turning point, when effort becomes momentum. Because when you see the change, you can't unsee it. Every unpacking day reminds me that peace doesn't come from getting everything done. It comes from getting started. And if you've ever stood in a space like this, surrounded by clutter and pressure, I want you to know something. You're not behind. You're just in the middle. And the middle always looks messy before it looks peaceful. The truth is, the finish line isn't the reveal, it's the relief. It's that quiet moment when you finally sit down and breathe. Even if there are still boxes left to go, calm isn't created all at once. It's built decision by decision, layer by layer. By the end of this day, this room looked completely different. Not styled, not perfect, but calm, functional, lived in. And that's the goal. Home doesn't have to impress anyone. It just has to work for you. So if you're unpacking, decluttering, or simply trying to get your life back in rhythm, remember this. You're doing enough. Take the next small step. That's where everything changes.